Next, poverty and unemployment. The major problem of most resource rich nations are poverty and unemployment. This is one of the economic paradoxes. A clear understanding about the magnitude of poverty and unemployment facilitate allocation of resources and initiating corrective measures. Paradoxes here we mean a situation or statement with two or more parts that seems strange or impossible together. Magnitude means vastness or great size. Economic growth. The growth and development of an economy and the factors determining them could be understood only through macro analysis. Economic policies. Macroeconomics is significant for evolving suitable economic policies. Economic policies are necessary to solve the basic problems, to overcome the obstacles, and to achieve growth. Then we're going to learn the limitations of macroeconomics. Macroeconomics suffers from certain limitations. There is a danger of excessive generalization of the economy as a whole. Generalization means the general statement that is based only on few facts or examples or the act of making such a statement. It assumes homogeneity among the individual units. Homogeneity means similarity. There is a fallacy of composition. What is good of an individual need not be good for nation and vice versa. And what is good for a country is not good for another country and at another time. Many non-economic factors determine economic activities, but they do not find place in the usual macroeconomic books. Next, we are going to learn economy and its types. The term economy has been defined by A.J. Brown as a system by which people earn their living. J.R. Hicks defined as an economy is a cooperation of producer and workers to make goods and services that satisfy the wants of the consumers. Define economy means you have to write any one of this definition. Market will be in 2-mark question. In short, an economy is referred to any system or area where economic activities are carried out. This is book back 2-mark question. Question number 23. What do you mean by economy? You have to write an economy is referred to any system or area where economic activities are carried out. Market. Each economy has its own character. Accordingly, the functions or activities also vary. The functioning of an economy by its activities is explained in flowchart 1. Look at the flowchart. In an economy, the fundamental economic activities are production and consumption. These two activities are supported by several other activities. The ultimate aim of these activities is to achieve growth. The exchange activity supports the production and consumption activities. These activities are influenced by several economic and non-economic activities. The major economic activities include transportation, banking, advertising, planning, government policy, and others. The major non-economic activities are environment, health, education, entertainment, governance, regulations, etc. This will be in 2-mark question. What are economic and non-economic activities? Market. In addition to these supporting activities, external activities from other economies such as import, export, international relations, immigration, foreign investment, foreign exchange earnings, etc. also influence the entire functioning of an economy. And economies can be classified into different types based on status of development, system of activities, scale of activities, nature of functioning, nature of operation, nature of advancement, level of national income. First, economy is classified under status of development. It is classified into developed, underdeveloped, undeveloped, and developing economies. Under system of activities, it is classified into capitalistic, socialistic, and mixed economies. Under scale of activities, it is classified into small and large economies. Under nature of functioning, static and dynamic economies. Nature of operation is classified into closed and open economies. Under nature of advancement, it is classified into traditional and modern economies. Under level of national income, it is classified into low income, middle income, and high income economies. Next, we are going to learn economic systems. Economic system refers to the manner in which individual and institution are connected together to carry out economic activities in a particular area. It is the methodology of doing economic activities to meet the needs of the society. There are three major types of economic system. First one, capitalistic economy. Second, socialistic economy. Third, mixed economy. This will be in 2-mark question. Mark it. Globalism. The term coined by Manfred D. Steger 2002 to denote the new market ideology of globalization that connects nations together through international trade and aiming at global development. This ideology is also termed as extended capitalism. This will be in 1-mark question, underline. Capitalism and socialism are two extreme and opposite approaches. In capitalism, there is total freedom and private ownership of means of production. In socialism, there is no freedom for private and there is public ownership of means of production. Mixedism denotes the coexistence of capitalism and socialism. The features, merits, and demerits of various economic systems are discussed below. Capitalistic economy. Adam Smith is the father of capitalism. Who was the father of capitalism? Will be in 1-mark question. Capitalist economy is also termed as free economy, laissez-faire in Latin. It means free trade economy or market economy, where the role of government is minimum and market determines the economic activities. What do you mean by capitalism? Is 2-mark book back question. Question number 25. Mark it. The means of production in a capitalistic economy are privately owned. Manufacturers produce goods and services with profit motive. The private individual has the freedom to undertake any occupation and develop any skill. The USA, West Germany, Australia and Japan are the best example for capitalist economy. However, they do undertake large social welfare measures to safeguard the downtrodden people from the market forces. Right example for capitalist economy will be in 1-mark question or 2-mark question, underline.